Pakistan has intensified diplomatic efforts to break the stalemate in the US Iran dialogue as Interior Minister Mohsen Naqvi arrived in Tehran carrying a message from Chief of Defense Forces Field Marshal Asim Munir for Iranian Supreme Leader Mujtaba Khamenei. Naqvi was received in Tehran by Iranian Interior Minister Iskandar Momini, with Pakistan's newly appointed ambassador to Iran also present. The visit comes amid a fragile stalemate in indirect US Iran negotiations, which Pakistan has been facilitating for months. Iran's state news agency IRNA, quoting an informed source, reported that Naqvi was carrying an important message from Chief of Defense Forces Field Marshal Asim Munir. Before his departure, the Interior Minister held consultations with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and senior officials and received instructions regarding the future course of the Iran-US talks.
بله بنده اینجا هستم
deliver
برای اینکه
a special letter
نامه ویژه‌ای رو تحویل بدم
from the field marshal
از طرف
for his eminence
آقای
Ayatollah Mujtaba Khamenei
آیت
and
الله
message from the prime minister
و پیام نخست وزیرمون آقای
regarding the
شهباز
current situation.
در خصوص شرایط فعلی موجود.
I think
The Prime Minister's office said Shehbaz Sharif met Naqvi in Lahore ahead of the visit, where the Interior Minister briefed him on recent engagements in Bishkek on the sidelines of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization conference and discussed the Tehran visit. Diplomatic sources say the mission is part of Pakistan's efforts to sustain a ceasefire arrangement brokered earlier this year and to reopen space for meaningful negotiations between Washington and Tehran amid continued tensions and military incidents. Key sticking points in the talks include Iran's enriched uranium stockpile, its enrichment program, sanctions, the Strait of Hormuz, and regional security issues. While US President Donald Trump has said negotiations are ongoing and progress is being made, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said there has been no tangible progress and Tehran is still reviewing proposals. Sources say both sides remain divided, particularly over US demands for restrictions on Iran's enrichment activities and Iran's position that its peaceful enrichment rights are non-negotiable. Naqvi is expected to meet Iranian officials, including the Foreign Minister, President, Parliament Speaker, and Secretary of the Supreme National Security Council during his visit. The visit is being closely watched as Pakistan seeks to inject momentum into stalled US-Iran talks with its mediation role gaining international attention and support. In a related development, Lebanese Army Commander General Rodolphe Hagel has also arrived in Pakistan on an official visit for military to military cooperation discussions at a time of renewed regional tensions.